Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look at transcription job. They are currently taking transcribers, translators, and captioners from all locations. Don't worry about your location. They are taking from every location at this time. And they are taking only English transcribers, captioners, and subtitlers. So if you are looking for a job, if you're looking for something to do from the comfort of your home, because as a transcriptionist, you are going to be working from your home. You're going to be working as a freelancer. So watch the video till the end, because at the end of the video I'm also going to leave you tips on how to pass this test. So you need to pass the first test before you can proceed to the onboarding test. Don't skip any part of this video because you don't know which part will help you to pass the test. I also want to let you know that you need to pass this test once. If you fail it, you can't retake it, and it takes about 30 minutes to complete the whole test. So if you're interested and you're ready to take up this job, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you apply and let me know your thoughts as well. So I'm going to show you the website. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, from the sign up to the test and all that you need to know. All right, so once you finish and you pass the initial test and submit your application and you pass, as you're taking the test, you'll be seeing your scores automatically. So once you pass it, you continue to the onboarding test. But if you fail it, that's the end of the road. You're not going to repeat the test. Okay, so you need to pay close attention on this video. If today is the first time, don't forget to join the family by subscribing to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and also share to others. All right, so this particular one, I'm going to show you all that you need to know. I'll leave the link to the website in the description box, and I'll also pin it in the pinned comment section. So let's dive into the video. The company is called AmberScript. We all know AmberScript. It's just that sometimes they don't have positions open for English transcribers, subtitlers, or translators. So if you're interested or you want to start working as a transcriber, if you have, what it takes to become one, just come here. You can use the link in the description box to sign up. So this is the page where you're going to sign up from. So this page, you can see all that you need to know about AmberScript. It says if you want to enjoy flexibility and work when you want, wherever you want, if you own a laptop, smartphone, internet connection, then you have a perfect job. So you can work from anywhere, whenever you want, as long as there's reliable internet connection. You have a flexible work schedule. The payout is every month. You receive monthly payouts for all work completed, either via PayPal or bank transfer. So how it works is that you choose if you want to be a transcriber, a captioner, or a translator. So based on your choice, you're going to complete the AmberScript online onboarding test. If you pass, you will be contacted as soon as a position opens up. You can only follow these courses if you are fluent English speaker, native or C1. If not, please go to the website in your native language and sign up there to become a transcriber. So if you want to become a transcriber, this is where you sign up and start your onboarding test. So you're going to listen to audio, revise the automatically generated test to make it perfect, and then you label speakers. The indicative payment for this one is 45 cents. That's €0 45 cents to €1 20 cents per audio or video minute. So if you're ready, click on start onboarding test. It takes you to the page where you're going to sign up. That is the sign up page. Then after the sign up, it takes you to the page where you take the test. So if you want to become a captioner, you watch videos, you revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect, format and synchronize text with audio. The indicative payment rate for this one is €0 90 cents to €1 90 cents per audio or video minute. So if you're ready, click on start the onboarding test. For translators, what you're going to do as a translator is to watch captioned videos, revise the machine translated captions to make them perfect, format and synchronize text with audio. The indicative payment rate for this one is €3 50 cents, from €3 50 cents to €6 per audio or video minute. So if you're ready, you start your onboarding test here. Okay, so you can also work as an audio description scriptwriter, dubbing scriptwriter, or as a dubbing and voiceover actor artist. So for this one, You write audio description scripts to make content accessible for the blind or visually impaired. You write and translate dubbing or voiceover scripts to transform text into speech. You record dubbing or voiceover audio tracks and mix it with the original audio. The indicative payment rate for this one is between €3 to €16 per audio or video minute. So if you're ready, apply now. Okay, so once you go for, let's assume you want to become a captioner and you click on start the onboarding test, or for this one, let's check transcriber. It brings you to this page where you create your account. So once you create your account and sign up, it will bring you to this page. So I just wanted to show you guys, this is where I said I was going to show you how to pass this particular test. So I tried the test, the onboarding test for captioner. This is the captioner onboarding test. Okay, so you have to make sure, first things first, you have to make sure that you read, you see this overview, read the captions, that's the introduction, our caption guidelines formatting, our caption guidelines spelling, our caption guidelines on numbers, our workflow in a nutshell. So you need to make sure before you agree, have you carefully read and understood our caption guidelines? Make sure that you have carefully read it. Okay, you need to read this first step, read it. And so the tip that I want to give you guys is that after reading the first step, make sure you take pictures. Take pictures with your phone's camera. Take pictures of each chapter. That is how to pass this test. Take pictures of each chapter, because when the question starts, you're going to see everything that they have given you on this guideline. You're going to see everything there, but there's no way you're going to remember everything as you're taking the test now. There's no way. Okay? So you need to take pictures. That is how to do it. Take pictures on your phone of each chapter. That is if you're completing this on your computer. Okay? So even if you're taking it on your phone, you can take screenshots and keep these things before you proceed, because I tell you, it's not an easy one. The test is not easy. So take pictures as a reference point before you start. Okay? So by the time you finish the first step, moving on, you then start your language proficiency. That is the English US. You can see that I passed. It says that I passed actually because I failed just 2. I don't know how they marked it, but it says that I passed it. You can see the ones with the green passed. This one's here, the green tick. So I passed the first one, which is becoming a captioner, the first step. I passed the language proficiency in the US English. I also passed the English general. I passed the general English, the general English test. I passed that one as well. So you can see for this one, captions theoretical test, you can see that I failed this one, not passed. You can see this other one as well. And the reason is that I did not read the guideline. It skipped me. I didn't read it. I just skipped through. And I went straight ahead to start to record my answers, to do the test. So make sure you read this and take pictures, guys. You need to do this. So I'm going to resign up. Okay, I'm going to sign up again and redo this test. But I just wanted to show you guys what you need to do or what you need to avoid so that you don't fail yours. Okay, so make sure you read through and have reference before you continue your test. If you don't pass it, you can see where it says I had 1 minute 34 seconds left for this test, but unfortunately I failed, which means you're not allowed to proceed. But if I had passed all, I would have been allowed to proceed to the last session, which is the main onboarding test. Okay, so don't do like me, make sure you ace yours once and for all. So make sure you read that. I'm gonna go do it again, and I'm going to carefully read the instructions. Okay, so another tip I can give you guys is that if you fail this one, you can sign up with a different email address and keep this one as a reference point and use another email address to start the onboarding test. So you can cross-check the ones you failed on the first one to make sure you pass the second one. That is all I can say for that particular one. So guys, that will do it for us. Go and sign up right now to start your test. Make sure you read through the guidelines. Take your time. Make sure you're doing it when you have time, because it's once and for all 30 minutes for all the questions. And if you don't finish before the 30 minutes, the time will you'll be timed out, and then you'll be giving your result automatically, which means you're not going to still pass it. And if you answer wrongly, you still not pass the test and you will not proceed to the next level. So go and sign up now. Do the right thing. Take out your time. Do it in the midnight. Whenever you have time for yourself alone, you do it. And I'll see you guys in another video. But don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you pass your test. Please let me know if you passed your test, and let me know the country where you are joining me from. And like the video, share to others, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are the real MVPs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.